Hello, my name is Abe Mashni, criminal defense attorney here in Lexington, Kentucky. Today we're going to be talking about the changes in juvenile criminal law that were passed earlier this year, but go into effect on June 29th, so next week. And so what I mean by the juvenile criminal law change is going to be specifically in KRS 635.020, subsection 4. And that is also known as the automatic transfer rule. And so under the current and about to be old law, if a child was charged with a felony in which a firearm, whether functional or not, was used in the commission of that offense, and the child had attained the age of 14 years old, the county could file a motion to charge them as a youthful offender and move their case from juvenile court to adult court. And if the county did that, then the judge would have zero discretion whether to keep it in juvenile court. The statute says shall remove the case to adult court. And so the law that's about to go into effect changes that and makes it a little bit harder for juvenile cases to be tried as adults. And so it takes away that shall language, and then it basically says that in those types of situations where the government is wanting to try a juvenile as an adult, they have to go through a different process. And so they list several factors, and we'll go over them now. And so those factors are going to be located in KRS 640.010, subsection 2, specifically 2C. And so there's 10 factors that the judge has to look at after finding probable cause that the juvenile committed the offense. And so the first factor is seriousness of the alleged offense. Then it goes into whether it was against a person or a property. 3, it goes to the maturity of the child as determined by his environment. 4, the child's prior record. 5, the best interest of the child and the community. 6, the prospects of adequate protection from the public. 7, the likelihood of reasonable rehabilitation by the child by procedures, services, and facilities in the juvenile justice system. 8, evidence of the child's participation in a gang. 9, if there's any evidence of intellectual disability. And 10, whether or not a child used the firearm in the commission of the offense. And so instead of that being the end-all be-all as far as determinations are concerned, that's just 1 out of 10 factors. And so in order for the case to move from juvenile to circuit court to be tried as an adult, the judge is going to have to put into writing at least 2 of those 10 factors and explain their decision. So if you have any questions about the juvenile criminal system, please give us a call at 859-259-0727. Again, thanks for watching. My name's Abe Mashni.